Hi, my name is Andy and I'm your sales consultant here at Step 1 Subaru for Walton Beach. And today we're going to talk about the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid all new 360 camera. All right, it's back. 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid. Yes, I say back because some of you might not know. I used to have one, but it was a plug-in, but no more. Now we got regenerative braking. You don't have to plug this thing in anymore. And up here, we have steering responsive headlights, LED fog lights, 9.3 inches of ground clearance. But guess what? The best part is, used to have a 2.0 boxer engine. Now it's got the 2.5 boxer engine combined with your electric motors. You have 197 horsepower and over 590 miles per tank. This thing is awesome. She'll go all day, all week, no issues. All right, and this particular model, this is the Limited, which comes with leather seats. This one has gray and dark gray with orange accent stitching. Here we have your heated seats. And then over here, you have the all new 360 camera for this little guy. Yeah, a 360 camera for this car, it's awesome. And then here we have your 11.6 inch multimedia screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then up here, we have the all new 14 inch instrument cluster with integrated navigation. So with this year, the all new feature of the 360 camera is phenomenal. Yeah, you might say, why for this little car wouldn't a 360 camera be needed? But I'm telling you, it's awesome. All you gotta do is press this little button right here, and then your 360 view comes up all around your car. The car spins, and then you can make it go away. But yes, it gives you that advantage of any situation you're in, you need to see anywhere around your car at any time. So again, my name's Andy here at Step 1 Subaru for Walton Beach. And if you got any questions about this particular feature or even this car, give me a call, 850-275-1569.